So now next point is Cauchy integral theorem. So let us say that f of z is analytic function and it is continuous at all points inside and closed curve C. That means its derivative is continuous at all point inside and closed curve C. Then this integration f of z dz is 0. If there is no denominator term, then this integration value is 0. So this circle indicates that we have one closed curve, and C means that some curve will also be given to us. Now next is Cauchy integral formula. So there are few cases that we will see. So case number 1, that z equal to a, any point z equal to a is outside the closed curve C. It is, this point A is outside the curve C. Then the value of this integration is 0. Integration f of z upon z minus a dz equal to 0. So whenever the point is outside, the integration value is 0. Remember this point is outside, integration equal to 0. Case number 2, let's say that z equal to a is inside the curve C. That point is inside the curve C. Then the value of this integration f of z upon z minus a dz will be 2 pi I times f of a. That means you need to calculate this f of z at z equal to a. At z equal to a, you need to calculate the value of this function. So you will get f of a. So integration answer will be 2 pi I times f of a, where I is a complex number. Now case number 3, that z equal to a and z equal to b both are outside the curve C. Both the points are outside the curve C. So along with this integration, definitely one curve equation will also be given. So we have to always check whether the point is inside or outside. If the point is outside, integration value will be 0. So this integration f of z upon z minus a z minus b dz equal to 0 when the points are outside. Whenever the points are outside, integration answer is 0. Now case number 4, let's say that a is inside and b is outside. A is inside, b is outside. So in this case, the integration answer will be 2 pi I times capital F of a. 2 pi I times capital F of a. Now what is that capital F of a? So here you have to take f of z as this term. Your f of z will be small f of z upon z minus b. Then calculate this function at z equal to a. So you will get capital F of a. So the integration answer is 2 pi I times f of a. Now case number 5, that both the points are inside the curve C. Both the points are inside curve C. Then the integration answer is 2 pi I times capital F of a plus capital F of b. Now when you are calculating capital F of a, so in that case your f of z will be small f of z upon z minus b. So your f of z will be small f of z upon z minus b. So when you are calculating at z equal to a, so this will be your f of z, capital F of z. And when you are calculating at point z equal to b, when you are calculating at point z equal to b, so in that case your f of z will be, this term, f of z upon z minus a. So integration answer is 2 pi I times capital F of a plus capital F of b. Or you can use the partial fraction expansion, split this term as a upon z minus a plus b upon z minus b, and then individually use the Cauchy integral formula. So you will get that 2 pi I times f of a plus 2 pi I times f of b. So individual you need to calculate the integration. Now we will see more problems, and once you see the problems, your concept will be clear. Before we start the problem, let's look at this one more important concept, that integration f of z upon z minus a raised to power n. So now here it is not a simple pole, it is a pole of order n. So this integration answer is 2 pi I times 1 upon n minus 1 factorial. Here as the power is n, so you should take n minus 1 factorial into f of f derivative n minus 1 times and value at z equal to a, where this point z equal to a is inside. This point is inside. If this point is outside, integration answer will be 0. If the point is outside, integration answer will be 0. But if this point is inside, then it is given by 2 pi I times 1 upon n minus 1 factorial and its differentiation n minus 1 times, and you substitute in place of z as a. First you differentiate it n minus 1 times and after that you substitute z equal to a. So this is the value of this integration. So similarly, let us say I have this type of integration. Integration f of z upon z minus a cube. This point a is inside. Then this will be 2 pi I times divided by n minus 1 factorial. Here n is 3. So 3 minus 1, that means 2 factorial into how many times I will differentiate? N minus 1 times. N is 3. So I will differentiate 2 times. F double dash. First I will differentiate. I will get f double dash z, and then in place of z I will substitute z equal to a. So this is the value of this integration. Similarly, integration f of z upon z minus a raised to power 4 dz. So this integration will be 2 pi I times, here n is 4, so n minus 1 factorial, that means 3 factorial. F is differentiated, function is differentiated 3 times, and we will substitute z as a. So this is the value of this integration.
So given is the unit circle, that means mod z equal to 1 is the curve equation, is the circle equation, and the point in the denominator is z. So equate denominator with 0, that means equate z with 0. So our point is z equal to 0. Check this point is inside or outside. Definitely this point is inside. In place of z put 0. So 0 is less than 1. It is less than radius. That means inside. It is inside. ठीक है? तो फिर अभी हमारा f of z न्यूमरेटर रहता. न्यूमरेटर में क्या है? cos z. So this we will calculate at z equal to 0. With this value we will calculate at our point, which is inside the circle. At 0 we will calculate. So f of 0 equal to cos 0. Cos 0 is 1. Then integration value comes out as 2 pi I into f of 0. So 2 pi I into 1, that means 2 pi I is the answer. A is the answer. Chalo. Next. Yes, 0 is the answer. Yes, 0 is the answer. Here point is z equal to 0. It is inside this circle. Put 0 here, it is inside the circle. Then your f of z is sin z. F of 0 will be sin 0, that means 0. Integration का आंसर रहता 2 pi I into f of 0. So 2 pi I into 0, that means answer is 0. What are the factors of denominator? Z plus I, Z minus I. Okay, answer is pi. Answer is B. Okay. The factors are Z plus I, Z minus I. So we will check what are the 2 points. First point is Z plus I equal to 0, that means Z equal to minus I. And second point is Z minus I equal to 0, that means Z equal to I. So we will check whether this is inside or outside. So in place of Z, put minus I. Minus I minus 3 by minus I by 2. That means minus 3 by 2. और ये मॉड की वजह से हो गया ये 3 by 2. Magnitude of I is 1. Magnitude of 4I is 4. Magnitude of minus 3 by 2 I is 3 by 2. Okay, it is greater than radius, so this point is outside. Then you put Z equal to I in the given equation. इसमें substitute करो. So I minus I by 2. That means I by 2. Magnitude I by 2 is nothing but 1 by 2. It is less than radius. Radius given is 1. 1 by 2 1 से छोटा है. So this point is inside. This point is inside and this point is outside. So our f of z will be, which is outside. Outside point is 1 upon z plus I. This we have to calculate at inside point. Inside point is z equal to I. यहाँ पे बस थोड़ा आपको कंफ्यूजन हो सकता. तो देखो इक्वेट करो पहले डिनोमिनेटर से 0 से. सो पॉइंट मिला हमको z इक्वल टू माइनस है. तो इसकी वजह से पॉइंट मिला z इक्वल टू माइनस है. और ये आउटसाइड है तो ये आपका f ऑफ z बन जाएगा. If it is outside, then that becomes your f of z. That becomes your f of z. And this is this point. If the point is inside, we will calculate the function at this point. So it becomes 1 upon 2i. Then we know that integration answer is 2 pi I times this value. So that is nothing but 1 upon 2i. 2 cancel, I cancel, answer is pi. Answer is pi. So one more. Z square upon z raised to 4 minus 1. Okay, I will just help you. So z raised to 4 minus 1 can be written as z square minus 1. So this is nothing but a square minus b square. A square minus b square is a minus b, a plus b. Then again here use a square minus b square formula. So this becomes z minus 1, z plus 1. ये इसके वजह से ये दो टर्म्स मिले एंड z स्क्वायर प्लस 1 की वजह से दो टर्म्स मिलेंगे z प्लस I, z minus I. So these are the factors of z raised to power 4 minus 1. These are the factors of z raised to power 4 minus 1. I hope you know the formula. A square minus b square is a minus b, a plus b. Okay, so total we have 4 points. First point is z minus 1, that means z minus 1 equal to 0, that means z equal to 1. Second point is z plus 1 equal to 0, that means z equal to minus 1. Third point is z plus I equal to 0, that means z equal to minus I. Fourth point is z minus I equal to 0, that means z equal to I. ये 4 पॉइंट है और आपके पास कर्व का इक्वेशन है z plus 1 equal to 1. Curve equation is z plus 1 equal to 1. Check which points are inside, which points are outside. Substitute one by one and check which points are inside, which points are outside. चलो बताओ z equal to 1, inside outside. If it is outside, type O. If it is inside, type I. Okay. हाँ, z equal to 1, inside or outside? It is outside. Okay. Z equal to minus 1, inside. because -1 plus 1 0, it is less than radius, so inside. Z equal to minus I. Z equal to minus I, inside or outside? शांत हो गए आप लोग? दो ही रहेगा, एक तो इनसाइड नहीं तो आउटसाइड रहेगा. Okay, outside. Very good. Outside is the answer. Now see here, those who have not got how to check whether it is inside or outside. So in place of z, put minus I. So this becomes minus I plus 1, right? And magnitude of this complex number is under root. This is A minus B. A minus IB. So magnitude is A square plus B square. That means root 2. And root 2 means 1.41. It is greater than radius. So this is outside. Then z equal to I. So it becomes I plus 1. Magnitude of I plus 1 is root 2. It is greater than radius. So this point is also outside. Okay? So z plus 1 is the inside point. Z plus 1 is the inside point. And rest are the outside point. Okay, your f of z was z square upon z raised to power 4 minus 1. So this integration z square upon z raised to power 4 minus 1 dz is nothing but integration z square upon z minus 1 z plus 1 z minus I z plus I. So here your f of z is z square. जो भी outside है वो आपके f of z में आ जाएगी. z minus 1 z minus I z plus I. तो ये आपके आउटसाइड है. ये तीनों पॉइंट्स आउटसाइड है, तो ये f of z के अंदर आ जाएगी. And this we will calculate at the inside point. Inside point is z equal to minus 1. So this we will calculate at z equal to minus 1. So z की जगह में -1 पुट करो. Try to solve. So it becomes -1 square 1 -1 minus 1 minus 2 into this term -1 minus I -1 plus I. ठीक है, तो ये हो जाएगा दिस इज I minus 1 ये इसकी क्या वैल्यू आएगी? -1 minus I -1 plus I. थोड़ा सिंप्लीफाई कर लेते हैं इसको. -1 इंटू -1 1. मल्टीप्लाई कर लो हर एक को. -1 इंटू -1 1. So -1 by 2 times. I am multiplying -1 into -1 1. -1 into I minus I minus I into -1 plus I minus I plus I. That means minus I square. So ये हो गया 1 upon -2 bracket I cancel 1 minus I square. I square is nothing but -1. So 1 plus 1 2. So ये आंसर हो गया -1 by 4. Okay. You just take the screenshot. Afterwards you can also put z equal to -1. Check value should be -1 by 4. Okay. We know that integration answer is 2 pi I into value of the function at that point. So -1 by 4. So it get cancel out. So answer is minus pi I upon 2. So B is the answer. Okay. So if it is clear, reply in chat box with C. You can just check the calculations. Okay. Next question. Try this one. So all these are gate problems. तो आप देख सकते हैं इसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी बहुत है गेट एग्जाम में। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फाइंड आउट द फैक्टर्स ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर। जेड स्क्वायर है तो दो फैक्टर्स आएंगे। देखो दोनों पॉइंट इनसाइड है, दोनों पॉइंट आउटसाइड है, या एक इनसाइड एक आउटसाइड। जो आउटसाइड है उसको आप एफ ऑफ जेड में ले लो, जो इनसाइड है उस पर कैलकुलेट करो। एट दैट पॉइंट यू कैलकुलेट द फंक्शन। यस सर, यस सर, चालू है सर। हाँ सर, हम कुछ इंडस्ट्री एक्सपीरियंस नहीं लेते सर इसमें। इंडस्ट्री एक्सपीरियंस कहीं मेंशन नहीं करते। नहीं सर, वहाँ पे है ही नहीं है सर कुछ इंडस्ट्री एक्सपीरियंस। नहीं है सर। Okay, A is the answer. I got disconnected, but I can see two students have given the answer A. A is the answer. Okay. Minus 4 pi is the answer. Quickly, I will calculate. So z plus 2i, z minus 2i are the factors. That means z equal to minus 2i, z equal to 2i. So this is inside, this is outside. जो आउटसाइड है वो आपका एफ ऑफ जेड बन जाएगा। एफ ऑफ जेड में ऑलरेडी न्यूमरेटर में जेड स्क्वायर माइनस 4 है, और ये भी आ जाएगा, जेड प्लस 2i भी आ जाएगा। सो दिस इज माई एफ ऑफ जेड। So this f of z I will calculate at my inside point. Inside point is z equal to 2i. So at 2i I will calculate the value. So 2i का square, that means minus 4, 2i plus 2i. So minus 8 divided by 4i, that means minus 2 by I. And integration is nothing but 2 pi I into minus 2 by I. So I cancel, so answer is minus 4 pi. Yes, answer is minus 4 pi. This one, here you must take this 2z minus 1 is there, you must take this 2 common first. तो वो कॉमन ले लो, तो ये टर्म हो गई z minus 1 by 2. This we will calculate at z minus 1 by 2. So 2 points we have to check. First point is z minus 1 by 2 equal to 0. Second point is z minus 3 equal to 0. So points are z equal to 1 by 2, z equal to 3. Now check which is inside, which is outside, and 2 you have already taken common. Try this one. Okay, C, very good. C is the answer. Okay, minus 2 pi I by 5. Okay, माइनस है कि प्लस है? C में 2 pi I upon 5 है। माइनस 2 pi I upon 5 है कि 2 pi I upon 5 प्लस प्लस। ओके ओके। So z equal to 1 by 2 is inside. This point is outside. Outside मतलब वो f of z में आ जाएगा, तो आपका f of z बन जाएगा cos 2 pi z divided by 2 we have already taken common, and the point which is outside, z minus 3 is outside. So this is our f of z. This we will calculate at the inside point, 1 by 2. This becomes cos pi, 2 to cancel. Z की जगह पे 1 by 2 put कर रहे हैं, 2, 1 by 2 minus 3. Cos pi is minus 1 and this is minus 5 by 2, that means minus 5. Minus minus cancel, that means 1 by 5. 1 by 5. So integration is nothing but 2 pi I into 1 by 5. And that is the answer, I think. 2 pi I by 5. Yes.
Okay.
Next question. I will read the options. 2 pi C1, 2 pi 1 plus C naught, 2 pi J C1, 2 pi J bracket 1 plus C naught. 2 pi J bracket 1 plus C naught. D option है 2 pi J bracket 1 plus C naught. And curve given is mod z equal to 1. Curve given is mod z equal to 1. So in the year 2009, this was GATE question. Okay, I will solve. No issue. Tough problem है थोड़ा. I will solve. So okay. First of all, you substitute this point. Substitute this point. और अगर आप सब्स्टिट्यूट नहीं भी करेंगे तो आपको क्या पता चल जाएगा, z इक्वल टू 0 इज इनसाइड. ठीक है. फिर आप जब ये कैलकुलेट करने जाइए 0 पे, तो ये 1 प्लस एफ ऑफ जेड की जगह पे क्या पुट करेंगे, c0 प्लस c1 इंटू 0, तो वो इंफिनिटी हो जाएगा. z इनवर्स इज नथिंग बट 1 बाय z ना. z इनवर्स लिखा हुआ है c1 z इनवर्स. So c1 by z, when you put 0 here, it becomes infinity. And in option is not available. Infinity option is not available. Right? So first of all, you should find out the function properly. So this integration is integration 1 plus, in place of f of z, substitute c0 plus c1 by z divided by z. Now cross multiply. So this becomes z plus zc0 plus c1 divided by z square dz. This is my function. Now z square is inside. Z equal to 0. This is inside. Okay. But यहाँ पे क्या है, ये स्क्वायर है. आपका अभी f of z क्या है, z plus zc0 plus c1. बट यहाँ पे ये स्क्वायर है. यहाँ पे क्या है, ये स्क्वायर है. जब स्क्वायर रहता तब हम ऐसे इसको डिफरेंशिएट करते हैं. देन वी डिफरेंशिएट दिस टर्म because here it is a square, so we need to differentiate but before that 1 upon n minus 1 factorial, that means 1 upon 1 factorial d by dz f of z. So this becomes derivative, z का derivative with respect to z1, z c naught का derivative c naught, but c1 is a constant, derivative will be 0. So this is my f dash z. Okay, so this I will calculate at z equal to 0. z है ही नहीं तो 1 plus c naught ही हो गया. Then integration answer is 2 pi I into f dash 0. That means 2 pi I 1 plus c naught is the answer. 1 plus c naught is the answer. ठीक है, अभी तक जितने भी प्रॉब्लम देखे हमने कभी भी ऐसा जो पॉइंट इनसाइड है उसका स्क्वायर नहीं था, जो पॉइंट इनसाइड है उसका ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर नहीं था. अगर ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर आता है तो आपका जो एफ ऑफ जेड है आपको उसका डेरिवेटिव लेना पड़ेगा और फिर वो पॉइंट पे आपको कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा. आपके एग्जाम में इतना डिफिकल्ट नहीं आएगा, बट फॉर योर नॉलेज आई हैव गिवन दिस क्वेश्चन. इंटीग्रेशन e raised to 1 by z dz और गिवन है यूनिट सर्कल, गिवन है यूनिट सर्कल. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस इंटीग्रेशन? एनीवन? इंटीग्रेशन एफ ऑफ जेड डीजेड क्या रहता? अगर डिनोमिनेटर में कोई भी टर्म नहीं है, इंटीग्रेशन क्या रहता? 0. तो इसका आंसर डायरेक्टली 0 हो गया. क्या सोच रहे थे आप लोग, क्या पता? आई डोंट नो व्हाट यू वर थिंकिंग. अगर डिनोमिनेटर में कुछ नहीं है तो डायरेक्टली इंटीग्रेशन 0. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इंटीग्रेशन z square upon z square minus 1 dz evaluated on z minus 1 equal to 1. I will write options, by that time you try. Minus pi I, option C 0, 2 pi I, option D 2 pi I. Z square minus 1. Z square upon Z square minus 1. Anyone answer? B. ओके, चलो आप लोग बोल रहे बी तो बी होगा आंसर. पॉइंट से z माइनस 1 z प्लस 1, डिनोमिनेटर के फैक्टर z माइनस 1 z प्लस 1. So z equal to 1 inside, this is outside. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 is greater than radius, so this is outside. तो आपका f of z बन गया z square upon z plus 1. This we will calculate at our inside point f of 1. So 1 upon 1 plus 1, that means 2. So 1 by 2. So 2 pi I into 1 by 2. 2 pi I into 1 by 2, that means pi I is the answer. Is the answer.